Hello students, this is your English lesson. Today we are going to read Unit 2 from Oxford Modern English 3. So we start our lesson. This is page number 14. The title of the story is The Wooden Ball. First of all, words to know. Chisel. A metal tool used to cut and shape wood. Clumsy, lacking skill or grace. Awkward. Complain, to say you are unhappy about something. Couple, two people who are married. Earned, received money for work done. Fetch, to go after and bring back something or somebody. Nod off, to go to sleep. Once upon a time, in a small town in Germany, there lived a man called Kurt. He lived with his son Manfred and his daughter-in-law Thekla. They all shared a little old house at the end of a quiet street in the middle of the town. Manfred was a carpenter and spent all his time in a workshop next to the house. He had learnt carpentry from his father, who had been a famous carpenter in his days. Kurt had taught his son well, and the son earned a good living. He made furniture for the people of the town, and from time to time he did some carving. The young couple, Manfred and Thekla, had a son called Wilhelm. The boy liked to sit in the workshop and watch his father. As he grew older, he helped his father by fetching and carrying things. He learned to clean the tools and to take care of them. He learned how to use a saw and a hammer and a chisel. And his grandfather taught him to carve wood into wonderful shapes. The grandfather was very old now and getting older every day. He was not very strong. His eyes were dim and he could not see well. Sometimes his hands shook and sometimes he sat in a chair and nodded off. In the evenings, when they all sat down to dinner at the table, Manfred and Thekla used to get angry with the old grandfather. He was slow and clumsy. Sometimes he broke a glass, sometimes he dropped a spoon, and sometimes he spilled soup on his clothes. He was an old man after all. One day, during the evening meal, the old man dropped his plate on the floor. Crash! It smashed into 100 tiny pieces, and the food fell all over the place. Thekla and Manfred began to clean up the floor. But how angry they were! After that accident, they bought him a cheap wooden bowl from the market and gave him his dinner in that. They made the old man sit by himself in the corner of the room to eat his food. The old man was sad. He kept quiet and did not complain. One evening, not long afterwards, Thekla and Manfred had finished work for the day and were preparing the evening meal. When the meal was ready, they called for Wilhelm. They looked in his room, but he was not there. Where could that boy be? asked Thekla. Manfred had no idea. He asked the old man if he had seen Wilhelm, but the old man shook his head. Thekla and Manfred became a little worried. They looked out on the street, but Wilhelm was not there. Then they saw a light on in the workshop. They went to look. They stepped into the workshop and found their son sitting on the floor. He was cutting a small block of wood and working as hard as he could. Ah, there you are, said Thekla. What are you making, son? Asked Manfred. Wilhelm put down the block of wood and the chisel. He looked up at his parents. I am making a wooden ball for you to eat from when you are old, replied the boy. The parents looked at each other, their eyes filled with tears. Come, dinner is ready, said Thekla softly, and she put her arms around her son, and the three of them went back to the house. After this, Thekla and Manfred always asked the old grandfather to sit with them at table. Exercises. A. Comprehension. 1. Answer the following questions. A. Where did the family live? Answer. The family lived in a small town in Germany. B. What did Manfred do for a living? Answer. Manfred was a carpenter. He made furniture and did some carving. He sold these things to the people in the town. C. Who was Thekla? Answer. Thekla was Manfred's wife, Wilhelm's mother, and Kurt's daughter-in-law. D. Why did Kurt's hands shake? Answer. Kurt's hands used to shake because he was old. E. Why was Wilhelm making a wooden ball? Answer. Wilhelm was making a wooden ball to give to his parents when they grow old. These questions are more difficult. Discuss them first. F. How did Thekla and Manfred teach the old man? Answer. Thekla and Manfred got angry with the old man. They punished him by making him sit in a corner and eat from a wooden ball. G. Whose eyes filled with tears? Why? Answer. The parents. Thekla's and Manfred's eyes filled with tears. They realized how unkind they had been to the old man. 2. Answer the questions about these lines from the story. They looked in his room, but he was not there. Where could that boy be? A. Who looked in the room? Answer. The boy's parents. Thekla and Manfred looked in the room. B. Who asked the question? Answer. Thekla asked the question. C. Whom were they looking for and why? Answer. They were looking for Wilhelm. They wanted him to come and eat his evening meal. D. Where was the missing person found? Answer. He, Wilhelm, was in the workshop. B. Working with words. 1. Match the following. A. In the evening, they sat down to dinner. B. They bought him a cheap wooden ball. C. They all lived in a little old house. D. The son earned a good living. E. The old man didn't complain. F. The little boy was making a ball. 2. Find words in the story for the following. A. A person who makes things out of a wood. Carpenter. B. To cut wood or stone into shapes. Carve. C. The father of one's mother or father. Grandfather. D. A room where someone does a job like carpentry. Workshop. E. The wife of one's son. Daughter-in-law. Underline the verbs in the following. Naila sat beside the road. Sat. She read her book and waited for the bus. Read, waited. A boy came past on his bicycle. Came. The wheel of the bicycle hit a stone. Hit. The bike fell over. Fell. The boy went flying through the air and landed in front of Naila. Went, landed. Catch a bus next time. Catch, said Naila. The boy smiled and rubbed his knees. Smiled, rubbed. 2. Choose a verb from the box to complete the following. Use the correct form of the verb and use each verb only once. A. They rested for an hour every afternoon. B. Jason and Mary are playing with their friends in the garden now. C. Sarah drank a whole glass of milk before going to bed last night. D. She watches television every evening. E. Amin caught a cold last week but is better now. Thanks for listening. For new videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you like my videos, please share and like.